Mechanoax Modular Access Solutions. Why choose Mechanoax? We custom design bolt-together modular solutions to solve commercial and industrial access problems. Combining Hilty's range of pre-engineered components along with a wide variety of other parts, our team delivers a total end-to-end solution. We create detailed instructions for each and every installation. This makes it fast and easy to assemble by the end customer, with only basic tools, no welding, no special training, and no special contractors. Featuring simple one-time quality control, eliminating the never-ending scaffolding inspections, costs, and delays. Custom work and access platforms, stairs, walkovers, and other complex solutions are pre-built in our shop. Combining frames, decking, stairs, safety gates, railings, ladders, everything required is included. Design and instructions are validated and then optimally configured for shipping and easy installation. The result? A custom, commercial, or industrial solution that eliminates hot work, ships anywhere, fits precisely, and installs easily with only basic tools. The fit is precise, yet simply adjustable for leveling and uneven surfaces. It's ideal for replacing ladders in fixed or mobile configurations. Eliminating scaffolding for indoor or outdoor use, this eliminates endless inspections. Replacing unsafe wood stairs and platforms with modular components that can be carried through small spaces and assembled in place. Simplifying operations and maintenance with removable railings, braces, and other components giving unhindered access to workspaces. Solving complex access challenges. And of course, easy to install. How easy? Watch this. You are seeing just how easy it is to assemble a Mechanoax modular walkover. The two stair end units are typically pre-assembled, as you saw at the beginning of this video. This simplifies assembly and speeds up the process, making fast even faster. When we say engineered by experts, assembled by anyone, we mean it, right down to the last detail. Key takeaways. Total solution using pre-engineered components. Easy installation with custom instructions created for each solution. Complete modular solutions that bolt together. Eliminate hot work, no welding, no cutting, no grinding. Ideal for operating facilities. Minimize downtime and maximize production. For questions or to ask an expert designer, head to our website at mechanoax.ca, where you can get more information about all our industrial and commercial access solutions. Mechanoax, engineered by experts, assembled by anyone.